Ever wondered about the smallest amount you can move with Airwallex? Like, is there a tiny, little limit that'll stop you from sending that pocket change to your friend? Or maybe you're planning a micro investment and need to know if Airwallex is your go-to. Well, buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into the world of Airwallex minimum transaction limits. Let's face it, in today's digital age, money moves faster than a cheetah chasing its prey. And with platforms like Airwallex promising seamless cross-border transactions, it's natural to wonder about the fine print. Can you send a single dollar? A penny? Or is there a bigger fish you need to fry before Airwallex even blinks at you? The short answer? It's complicated. Airwallex isn't your average Joe when it comes to transaction limits. They've got a system that's as complex as a Rubik's Cube, with different rules for different situations. First off, we need to talk about currencies. Every currency has its own personality, and when it comes to minimums, they can be as different as night and day. Some currencies are chill, letting you send even the smallest amounts. Others? Not so much. They've got standards, you see. Then there's the type of transaction. Are you sending money to a friend? Paying a bill? Or maybe you're a business owner making a cross-border payment. Each scenario has its own set of rules. And let's not forget about your account type. Are you a personal user, or are you running a business? The more you bring to the table, the more Airwallex is willing to play ball with. So, what's the magic number? The absolute rock-bottom minimum you can send? Unfortunately, there isn't one. It's like asking how long is a piece of string. It depends. But fear not, dear viewer. We're not going to leave you hanging. We'll break down the different scenarios, give you examples, and point you in the right direction. We'll talk about typical minimums for popular currencies, the impact of your account type, and even share some tips on how to potentially lower those limits. Because let's face it, who wants to be stuck with more money than they can send? So, if you're ready to unravel the mystery of Airwallex minimum transaction limits, grab a snack, get comfy, and let's get started. Your financial future depends on it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.